Regency Polaris MT-5500. It's has all the marine channels in it. Let's see here. 1 2 1 2 testing 1 2. All right, and then I'll play back the receiver here. 1 2 1 2 test 1 2. Let me turn the volume up on the other receiver here. 1 2 1 2 test 1 2. All right, and then the weather. So I got it in 1 watt position because of this little local antenna here.
The afternoon wind advisory in effect from midnight tonight to 6 p.m.
It automatically locked in into my local weather station. Have a mountain bracket,
showers late this evening, then scattered
all
showers.
that stuff.
Near steady temperature in the
New power cord
mid-70s.
with a fuse holder.
Winds 10 to 15 miles per hour with
And
gusts up to 25
I've
miles
aligned
per
the
hour.
receiver in it. The transmitter was great on frequency. So
Thunderstorms. Showers
that's
mainly
it.
in the morning. Some thunderstorms may produce